Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Windows 10 to another computer quickly and easily. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. This is where all your system options are, and it's important because you need access to the activation settings. Step 2. Go to Update and Security, then click on Activation. This section lets you manage your Windows license and is necessary for transferring your product key safely. Step 3. Click on Change Product Key. This option allows you to enter a new product key for your Windows, which is the key step in moving your license to a new computer. Step 4. Enter your Windows product key and click Next to activate. This will register your Windows license on the new computer and ensure it's fully activated and working properly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.